autism spectrum disorder, or autism as many of you know it. Now, in the past like 2-3 weeks, I've encountered a number of cases about autism, and I believe it's high time we talk about it. I believe it's high time I try to expound about autism. So what is autism? What are the kind of the characteristics of the signs that you should look out for to know if your kid has autism? What are the causes of autism? What are the supplements that you can use to improve the life of somebody who is autistic? Now, let's start. What is autism? So this is a neurodevelopmental disorder that usually affects the brain, communication, and also social interaction. Now, these are some of the characteristics or the signs that you should look out for to know if your kid has autism. Number one, the most common is delayed speech. Now, you have a kid at home, he or she is at least 2, 3 years or 4 years, but he or she is not communicating, he or she is not able to, talk or express him or herself. That can be a symptom of autism. Number two, delayed milestones. Now, in this case, you find a kid is like 2, 3 years, he hasn't talked, he hasn't started walking, a lot of delayed milestones. That can be a symptom of autism. Number three, poor eye contact. You have a kid at home, you try to talk to them, they cannot keep eye contact when you're trying to talk to the kid. That can be a symptom of autism spectrum disorder. Number four, aligning toys or objects. Now, kids who are autistics usually tend to align toys or objects in a straight line. That can be a sign that your kid has autism or is autistic. Number five, hyperactivity. So kids who have autism or who are autistic are usually very hyperactive. They cannot, hawezi wakatulia mahali pamoja. They are very hyper, wako here and there, all over. That is a sign of autism spectrum disorder. Number six, irritability. Irritability is also another sign for knowing that your kid is autistic. So they are very irritable. They can get really angry within no time, okay? That is a symptom, that is a sign of autism. Number seven, which is also very common, tiptoeing. You have a kid, when they wake up in the morning, they are on their toes. They keep running on their toes, tiptoeing. That is usually seen in kids who are autistic. Number eight, poor social interaction. Okay, so people who are autistic or kids who are autistic, they usually find it hard to interact with other kids or other people. So that is a sign of autism spectrum disorder. Number nine, which is also very common, flapping hands. You have a kid, he keeps, flapping hands, in different ways, okay? They can be flapping hands. That can be a sign of autism. Number 10, we have sensitivity to noise or light. So we have these kids that whenever there is, a loud noise or, strong light, they can react by doing this, okay? So they try to close their ears, they